So this is a little Honda water pump. Got it off an auction out in Dublin, lot 20, Wilson's auction, and it doesn't work. As you can see, it's completely seized inside. I reckon it somehow fell into water, or water got in it and it stopped working. Now, the reason I suspect it fell into water, because when I look down here in the inlet for the carburetor, there's like, you can't see it, but there's residue of like dirty water, and the biggest concern was the white oil that was inside. Literally white. Ooh, that's something delicious, isn't it? The petrol. It's petrol in it, as you can see, and it smells all right. Like, it's not too old, so hopefully I can get this going again, because these are a brilliant engine and they usually are bulletproof. So let's see if we can try and fix it. Now, since it got wet anyway, I was thinking I'd just power wash it, because there's already water inside it and it's already seized, so this would be a very quick way of cleaning it. Yeah, let's do this. Alright, so it's nice and clean now, ish. I've got most of the big stuff off, so when I take it apart, I'll clean it a bit more by hand, because there's a few tough spots. And yeah, I think it's time to take it in and get really working on it. Alright, so I managed to free her up. Seems to be free. Threw a bit of oil back into the spark plug here, let it sit for a while, and then broke it with the big wrench, and it freed up. However, I think one of the valves seemed to be stuck, because there is not much compression, and there seems to be air leaking out through the inlet valve, so that will have to be sorted out. So this is the valve that's giving us a little bit of compression issue. So hopefully I can maybe take it off, maybe, and free it out a bit. Maybe there's a bit of rust jamming it. I don't know, really. Easy to work on, because these are push rod actuated ones, so it shouldn't be too difficult. There's no timing chain or anything, so it should be nice and easy. Emptying all the water that was in the sump now. Is there any oil in there? Oh, there's a bit. Oh my god. That's pure shite, isn't it? Damn, it must have been in water for a good while for that much water to get in there. Bloody hell. I'm gonna let this drain out a bit. Fuck me. So, I cleaned the carburetor. Carburetor's actually a good neck, so cleaned it out, took the water out, cleaned it up with carb cleaner, blew out the jets, and stuck it back on. So, but the air inlet on again. I think it's ready to try and give it a test run. Spark's good. Spark's very good, actually. Just hoping that the compression's high enough for it to start and really let me know that it's worth continuing to work on, you know what I mean? Now, I found something quite interesting. When I pull it quickly, it doesn't really seem to do much. When I pull it slowly, there's a bit of a kick. Yeah, a tiny bit of a kick when I pull it slowly. Good sign. However, there's something wrong with the spark. I'll show you now. So you see the spark plug there. I'm going to pull it slowly, and you see the nice big spark. I'm pulling it very slowly now. But when I pull it quickly, the spark is very small. And when I pull it very quick, there's no spark at all. But when I pull it slowly, there's a spark every time. So that seems to be the issue at the moment. I've never encountered that before, however, I'm sure it's not too difficult to solve out. Okay, so I found out the problem. It's very simple. So it was this thing. This thing was the issue. So this regulates the spark somehow, or does something with the spark. Not too sure. The one that was on it is kaput. Probably because it fell in the water. I have another engine like this from a generator, so I stuck this on. And now we can see that we have good spark, even when I pull it quick. So now it's just gonna test it now, I suppose. Yeah. Now I fired her up and she seems to be running okay. I had to put a bit of old, or not old, but some cheap 10W40 engine oil in it. Some it's new, and then I let it run for maybe 6-7 seconds, and then this came out of the sump. So there still must be a lot of the old contaminants in it. I'll start her up there. See how it runs. Let's see. Right, so you can kind of hear it's running a bit rough. So I suppose I'm going to change the oil again, put the exhaust manifold on, put the cam cover on, and then we can try and sort out that rough engine running. Alright. So it's all finished now. I did the final adjustments on the carburetor. Now she's running very well. I filled this barrel here with a bit of water and a makeshift pipe to see how well she pumps the water, and I've seen it pumps very well. Yeah, all ready to go. So let's throw her on, stick on the switch, give her a pull. She seems to be pumping great. Now, I did empty the barrel fairly quick. So yeah, that's it. From seized to running. I got this for around 50 quid or something. Now it's going brilliant. I'm really happy with this. Sound job.